Welcome! If you've been using Telegram Web on your PC and noticed those fun animated emojis on mobile but not on your desktop, you're not alone. The good news is that Telegram has introduced a simple way to enable animated emojis on the web version, and it only takes a few clicks to turn them on. Let's walk through it step by step so you can start enjoying a more dynamic chatting experience. First, open Telegram Web on your PC. You can do this in any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Once you're logged into your account, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines there. Click on those lines to open the main menu. This is where you'll find all the key settings and options for customizing your Telegram experience. From the menu, go ahead and click on Settings. This will open a new panel where you can adjust different features of the app. Now, look for the section labeled Animations and Performance and click on it. Inside this section, you'll find several options related to how Telegram looks and behaves. Scroll until you see Stickers and Emoji. Under this category, there will be an option for animated emoji. Simply enable the toggle next to animated emoji.